And also from the Latte palette. I was going to say Latte palette. Also from the Latte palette. Welcome everybody. Thank you for tuning in back to our channel. I'm Mimi, and today we are going to be creating, I would say we, but I'll be creating a look that is inspired by the upcoming musical festivals. So 'tis the season, and I love seeing all the creativity that goes around Instagram and YouTube, and all the glitter and all the color. And of course, it would not be a Coachella music festival video without this basic B-I-T-C-H move. So of course, rocking out the buns, which I do anyway on like the daily. And if you want to see what results at the end, then please continue watching. Thank you so much, and let's get going. Use that anymore. So I'm going to use the Nyx-Hd Studio Concealer to prime my lids. I'm not going to Coachella this year, but if you are, or if I were going to any outside concert really, you definitely want to prime your lids, because you want your eyeshadow to stick and you want it to be lasting, and especially if you're using bright colors, you want them to really come through. So you want a complete blank canvas to work on. Then I'm going to take the Dominique Latte palette, and I'm going to set with vanilla cream and just dab that all over the lid. I almost went into mocha. That would not have been good. Also from the Latte palette, I'm going to be using the Double Shot shade, which is the purple shade, and take this flat precision brush and just dab it all over the lid, really pack it on there. Then taking a fluffy brush and just start blending. And I'm going to take this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush blush in Prim Vixen. It's pretty bright, so I'm going to use that to further blend out the purple shade. Okay, then I'm going to take another packer brush, and to deepen just the outer edges a bit, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild palette. It's called Lust, and using this very bottom dark purple shade. And I don't want to make it too dark. I just want to add a little bit of dimension, so very lightly packing it in, and then again going in with that fluffy brush and just blend that out. Okay, so I want to add a colored liner, so I'm going to go in with concealer first to create the wing, and then when that dries down, then pat on a colored liner. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so while the eyeliner sort of dries down, because I don't want to go in with another liquid and then have it just be smeared around, I'm going to go ahead and start on my face, so do foundation. I'm going to do that all off camera just because I kind of want to focus more on like the overall look and not the specifics of the face. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I kind of like this, but I really wanted to do a colored liner. So I'm going to be using I'm Shook by Jeffree Star and Manny, MUA, and just going and praying that this comes out the way I want it to. While that's setting, I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, not mess with it. I'm gonna set my face. I already put my foundation on. So of course, if you're out in the desert, you wanna set your face because you don't wanna become an oily mess. And for me, that's on everyday thing. So I'm gonna be using the banana powder set by, oh, you know what? I didn't add my concealer, so I'm gonna do concealer first. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the powder. Alrighty, I put lashes on, eyebrows, and did my bronzing and my blush so that I can just finish the bottom lash and then do a little fun stuff with the rest of my face. But the base is pretty basic, so I didn't want to go through that. So for the bottom lash, I'm going to go in with BFF from the Boxycharm Pure palette. And I'm going to take a small smudger brush and just smudge that out. Okay, then I'm going to take Belle, which is a little more pinkish mauve-y, and just use that to sort of blend that bottom out more. Really get under those bags. I'm gonna take just a kohl liner. And just line the very outer part. And take that BFF shade again and use that to smudge. For the lower lash line, no, I already did that. For highlighting the eyebrow bone, I'm going to go in with the Carly Bybel palette and go in with, oh, they don't have names, and go in with this lavender highlighty shade and go right under. And then also go into the inner corner with it. This is a really pretty shade. I'm also going to take the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. It's a dual liner. It's like metallic-y and then a glitter. So I'm going to take the glitter side. This one has the olive green and the gold, so I'm going to take the gold and just sort of accent the center and also the lower lash. Why do I keep saying the lower lash? The eyebrow bone. And just use my finger to dab. glitter literally transforms everything. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm actually also going to go in with that lavender shade, as well as the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. So I'm gonna just go in with a little bit of this one, the Wet n Wild, and then really go haywire with that. Now I don't usually wear sort of cooler shade highlighters because I'm more of a warmer tone. So, but you know, you can pretty much do whatever you want when you go to Coachella or whatever. So I'll just go haywire with this one. And it's actually like really pretty. And then I'm gonna do the same thing that we did for the lid, the eyebrow bone and the inner corner. Take some of that highlighter and just dab, dab, dab. This lighting is really bad. I'm losing the sun. Okay, we're almost done, we're almost done. So I'm gonna go in with the I'm Shook shade that we used on our eyes for the liner. And then go in with Scorpio right in the center. We're gonna go back to the Carly Bybel palette and take that highlighting shade and just put it right in the center. I have a hair somewhere here. Okie dokie, so here you have it. It's sort of very space-agey, xenon 21st century, making my teeth look yellow. But yeah, I mean, it's still kind of muted, you know, it's not crazy, you don't have any crazy designs on your face, so you can totally wear this out for, I don't know, some other time. I would totally wear this to Costco. That's where I go when I have fancy makeup on. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know in the comments below if you liked it, if you would wear this, where you would wear this, if you're not going to the festivals this year. Yeah, I mean, I kind of wish you could see, I don't know if it's just my lighting, you could see my liner a little better because I worked really hard on it. I need to get sort of brighter colors or something, but yeah, I mean, overall I like how this came out. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you like this look. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell so that you can be notified when, or like sometimes notified when Mimi and Lala post up more videos. So yeah, there we go. Coachella in. So we will see you on the next one. Bye.